Jordan's like, it's really loud.
That doesn't matter.
Not any louder than these guys.
Oh, that was anticlimactic.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, I'm not ready for your turn.
Aw, your big brother has to wear your hand.
Safety's off, so when you...
I'm
It's
just
like the
going.
flannel's all short.
ready to shoot. Alright, cool.
So Jordan's like, it fit me. I'm like, okay.
Red bricks and straddle this thing, or you sit on it?
You would straddle it.
What are we shooting at? Anything.
Jeez.
There's red bricks, you'll see, and there's the little clay pigeons. So, you killed him. That's aiming for.
What are you shooting at, Tom?
Bricks.
Nah, shooting at the target.
Oh, we can't see that from here. I thought you weren't hitting nothing. Sure, just say you're hitting at the target.
I didn't want to
Yeah.
blow everything up.
Yeah. Jordan, hit something with action, because Mary Beth wants